All right, this is SAT Prep. We're doing test 1, section 4. This is number 31, the first of the grid-in problems. Wyatt can husk at least 12 dozen ears of corn per hour and at most 18 dozen ears of corn per hour. Based on this information, what is a possible amount of time in hours that it could take Wyatt to husk 72 dozen ears of corn? Okay, so here's my argument. If he's moving the fastest he can possibly move, right, the 72 dozen ears of corn, right? If I multiply that by his fastest rate, which is at most the 18, right? So 18 dozen ears in 1 hour, right? I could do 72 divided by 18, so 72 divided by 18. And I get that if he's moving as fast as he can possibly go, it would take him 4 hours, right? If he's moving at his slowest, right, the slowest he could possibly go, it would be the 72 dozen ears, right? And then his slowest rate is the 12 dozen ears, right? It's not a real unit, but it's cool, per hour, right? So I cancel the ears just like I did here, and I would get 72 divided by 12, which is 6 hours. So basically, any answer between 4 and 6 hours. So any answer from 4 to 6 inclusive would be right. So you could bubble 4, you could bubble 5, you could bubble 6, you could bubble 5.5, you could bubble 5.1274. I don't care. It doesn't matter. You can't really bubble that many. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick 4, and I'm going to bubble it. I tend to justify things all the way to the right. I pick 4, but you could pick 4, 5, 6, or you could pick 4.2 or 5.1. It doesn't matter. Like, don't get fancy about it, but you could pick anything 4 through 6 inclusive.